Today, I'm going to show you how to write a complete YouTube video script using ChatGPT, so you can produce professional, well-structured videos without spending hours brainstorming or editing. This works whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator who just wants a faster, more reliable way to script videos. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser. In the chat box, you'll need to give it a clear, specific request. Instead of simply typing, "Write me a YouTube script," include the topic, tone, and length you want. For example, you might say, "Write a friendly, step-by-step YouTube script about how to create a budget in Excel, designed to be about 2 minutes long." This level of detail helps ChatGPT deliver exactly what you need. Once you receive the script, read through it carefully. Make sure it flows naturally and that each section transitions smoothly into the next. If anything feels too generic or doesn't fit your style, edit it to add your own voice, examples, or personal tips. The goal is to make the script sound like you, not just a computer-generated draft. If you want to go further, you can ask ChatGPT to also create related materials for the video, like a catchy title, SEO-friendly description, and relevant keywords. You can even request bullet points for an on-screen checklist or hooks for your thumbnail text. This will help your video reach more viewers and keep them engaged. Once your script and supporting materials are ready, save them in a document so they're easy to reference while recording. You can print them, read them from a second monitor, or load them into a teleprompter app for a smooth delivery. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching!